Hello everyone, you are welcome back again on the Veterans Crypto. In today's video, I want to show you guys a perfect setup that you can apply on any trade out there, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, your shitcoin. You can apply this setup exactly the way I'm gonna show you guys. If this is your first time here, this is the Veteran Crypto. I create content to help you make money in the crypto or the financial industry or the financial world. And I want to believe you are happy living your best life. My purpose for you is to be happy and live your best life. And if you say you want to keep being happy, living your best life, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, because this channel is going to educate you on how you can be profitable in the crypto space. In today's example, I'm going to do this on Yasmi coin. I have Yasmi coin here that I want to share with you guys. So this is Yasmi coin, and Yasmi coin has pumped massively to the upside. You can see, this pump, right? And maybe you felt missing out, right? You miss out on this trade, and you are like, when am I gonna get in on this trade? So I want to show you how you can get in this trade, and you need to be patient enough to get into this trade. Like, you have to be patient. Now let me begin by telling you guys that all the indicators I'm gonna share with you guys here, or most of them, are free anyways, and I want you guys to go to your TradingView right now. If you don't have TradingView, there's a link below this video where you can subscribe to TradingView, and you can get up to 30% bonus by doing that. And if you do that, you're gonna help this channel as well to grow. So there's this indicator that they call Fibonacci retracement. So click on that indicator. Take it from the bottom. You can see from this low here, the low. This, or you can use it from this wick, this dip down here to the top, right? You only do this when you have seen the market move drastically to the upside, and then you see the market started doing this like retracement. Now, before you even do that, you can begin by marking or drawing this trend line here, like this line here. Okay, this is you mark the high, and you can also go down to mark the low. So in this case, this is the low down here. So this is the zone where you want to look for your entry, right? And the reason why you are using this Fibonacci retracement tool is to give you an opportunity to understand where the market can retrace to, right? And also you can use some couple of indicators like the moving day averages. You can use the 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. These are the top moving averages that you can use for this strategy. But I have my own here. This is my indicator that I created. I'm still looking to give a name for it, but this actually you cannot have it right now because it's not yet public. But in no time I'm gonna make it public. I'm still doing some tests. But the idea here is for you to look for an area where it's comfortable for you to buy. Now this zone here, we call it the golden pocket. This area here, if say for example we have seen this trend here, this this upward movement to the upside, like price move to the upside, and we saw this retracement. Now this area would have been an area of value for you to see that, okay, wait for price to come in this to this area, like to retrace to this area. And if say price come to this area and price is not able to break, right, like we see price bounce back to the upside, and if say price is not able to break and make higher highs, like the wick close above the previous week, then you should be waiting for a retracement back to the second level, which is towards the golden pocket. Now this is the golden pocket. Mark this properly, and it's important you do this like you pay attention to these areas. Like, this is the golden pocket, as I mentioned. This area here is gonna help you a lot to understand where is gonna be more buying pressure. Now you can see here that after this huge downward movement, we saw price move to the upside, and this area was an area of value. This area here, because from this area price dipped, and from this area price started moving to the upside, like making higher highs. Right now, we have seen that this is the area, this is a zone where we want price to stay in. If say price want to get to the upside, and if say price break to the downside, it means that we're gonna make higher it means that price is going downward. Now what you do is you wait for price to touch the 200-day moving average, if say price break this zone, like if price break this zone to the downside, you wait for price to touch this 200-day moving average. The red moving average in the middle is the 200-day moving average. If say price touch the 200-day moving average and price is not able to hold around this zone, then this is the area where you think, okay, price is gonna make like a little dip down to retrace back to the upside. But these zones are area where you can start looking for a perfect buy opportunity. Like let's say, as I mentioned, you wake up one morning and you saw price moving to the upside, and you are patient. You draw this, you do this setup, waiting for price to get to your zone before you can buy. Now, the reason why I'm showing you guys is because I don't want you to FOMO in any project out there, be it your favorite project or whatever project it is. Let's say someone told you that this coin is pumping, right? And you wanna get something out of it, right? You don't just FOMO in like that. You try to build a setup where price can get there, and when price gets there, it will give you that confidence to understand, okay, now I have the perfect setup and I can expect price to to play the way I want it to do. Now look at this zone now. Okay, price has come to this moving average, right? Because price came here, tried to move to the upside, it didn't succeed. It came back, it tried to go again, it didn't succeed. Now price have to break this zone now, and the area that price was aiming at was this golden pocket area. Usually, guys, price doesn't usually come like always to that area, but this zone is gonna be a zone where you wanna, okay, if say you see some sort of rejection, like movement rejection, then you're gonna realize that, okay, now this area is an area for you to now start buying. And in that case also, you can see here that there is this moving average around this zone here, so it's a perfect environment for you to buy, because you know that when price gets to that area and it's closer to your setup zone or setup area, that's when you want to start looking for buy opportunity. And you can see this scenario play out on this chart. You can see Yasmin came to this zone here, and Yasmin has break this structure, Now we want to see price hold this structure, and for us to confirm that price is holding structure, this is what you're gonna do. Like if say you're charting your, like let's say any other coin out there, you want to see price have to break and make higher highs, then price will come back to retest this area. Or like you can now take it from, let's say for example, another way you can do it is take this same Fibonacci retracement. Let me take out this one so I can have a perfect chart for you. So you can now take the Fibonacci retracement also, but this time around you take it from the top, to where price has ended, this zone, this area here. Now we are looking at this now in two phases. We have an area where, for example, let's say if price is not able to break back to the upside, which area do you want to see price move towards, and which area you want to see rejection? So if you see price trying to move to the upside, let's say if price does this and price will keep rejecting this area, like rejecting like this, keep doing like this, like coming down, or price went up but price cannot break this other zone in here, keep rejecting and doing like that, in that case you are still good, because you can see that price is at a level where it can break and make higher highs. But if say price is below, doing this below here, then you know that, okay, this is an area where you want to look for short. And in this case, if say price have to break the downside, which area do you expect price to go? Maybe that golden pocket that we talk about, like this zone here, this area here, so this is the area where price is gonna go to, right? And if say price is not able to break down, then price can now start making lower lows, like changing structure, start going more downward. So guys, this is a perfect setup. Like you can do this with any chart out there, you can do this with any coin out there, any project out there. Just make sure you look at the structure. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can do this with any time frame. You can do it with a daily time frame, but do it on the time frame that you love to trade more, right? And also there's this indicator I use. It's called session. Like it gives me the opportunity to understand where price is at in different sessions. You can see here that in the US section, price made this move and we saw price move straight to the upside. And now on the US section, you see that price makes its way back down, right? I mean today this is the US section. That was yesterday. Yesterday, price moved to the downside, and during the Asia section, we see price moving again to the upside. So are we going to see price keep going to the upside during the UK US session? Well, I think looking at what is happening right now with other altcoins, we might expect a retracement, because ever since price break this zone, price have not attempted to go to the upside, like to retest the zone. So price have to try to retest. That's what price always does. Price must always come back to see if say it can break, and if say the bulls or the bears, the bulls are not able to outsmart the bears, then the price is gonna keep going downward. So make sure you pay attention to all this scenario. Let me recap this again. When you are doing this, make sure you mark the zones that you are right now. Like for example, as I mentioned, you mark the low and the high, and also try to look at this area. Yeah, this zone is a structure, that you want to keep looking at an opportunity to buy. Right, so this structure now will give you an opportunity to understand, okay, if prices are this structure, then if say price break the structure, that's when you wanna say, okay, price are breaking structure, now I'm looking for a way to short, or looking for a way to buy. So this is it, guys. I want to believe this video was helpful to you, and if say it was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. And if say you want to trade either of this coin, you can do this on Bybit. I have an affiliate link below, or also OKX. My affiliate links are below. When you do use my link to register to this platform, it's gonna help this channel a lot. That's the least you can do. And also like, share the content, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.